We are here today to show you how to set up your Orbi 770 series tri-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system. Let's get started. Make sure you have removed all the Orbi 770 series contents from the package. The contents you will need for your setup will include, from the package, one RBE 771 router, two RBE 770 satellites, Ethernet cable, power adapters for your router and satellites, a quick start installation guide, a service-activated internet modem or gateway. Now, download the Orbi app on your iOS or Android mobile device to start your Orbi installation. Follow the step-by-step setup process to set up your router. This will include the hardware setup, which we will demonstrate for you now. Power down your internet modem. Disconnect all devices from the modem. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes before powering back on. Wait for the modem's LED lights to stabilize before powering up your Orbi RBE 771 router. This could take up to 5 minutes. To connect your router to your modem, plug in one end of the included Ethernet cable into the yellow port labeled Internet. This is a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port that supports all internet speeds up to 2.5 gigabits per second for faster internet connectivity. Then, plug in the other end into one of the LAN or Ethernet ports of your internet service provider's modem or gateway. To power your router, find the port for the power adapter on the back of your RBE 771 router. Plug in the power adapter. When the cable is connected, plug the power brick into a power outlet. The RBE 771 router will automatically power up. Once your router's LED light turns on, return to the step-by-step setup process in the Orbi app to continue with your installation. For additional help with installation, please check out our video in the description below to learn how to install your Orbi 770 series tri-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system using the Orbi app. The step-by-step instructions include setting up your RBE 770 Orbi Wi-Fi 7 satellites. After the installation is complete, you can use the Orbi app to enable Netgear Armor's cybersecurity solution, an IoT Wi-Fi network, guest network, and the smart parental controls. To learn more about the Orbi 770 series tri-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system, visit netgear.com/Orbi770. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.